Bandits Early Bird Special for Thursday, February 18. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. You're looking for Bandits premium plays. Games Bandits betting on. Buy Bandits $30 USD weekly package deal. UFC, college basketball, NBA, and NHL hockey. All for $30 USD. It's a great deal. Choose to invest in Bandit. Bandits Recap Show. Yesterday, February 17th. Early Bird Special winner. Late Night Special winner. Bandits weekly package deal record since February 6th. 16-8. 67% winners. Bandit since February 6th. Team Bandit. That's Bandit plus NHL guy, hockey guy. 12-4. 12 wins, 4 losses since Wednesday, February 10th. 75% winners. Hockey guy on a 20-6 winning run. 77% winners. And a 22-9 overall record. 71% winners. Bandit with the 2-0 UFC winners. 2 TKO winners UFC. The last 2 days, Bandits premium package picks NBA. Phoenix, 21-point first half winner. Bandit had Phoenix half. And Phoenix full game loser. Tonight, February 17th, New York, 3-point half winner. Bandit had New York half. And full game loser, New York Knicks. That's Bandit's package deals record. Early Bird Special, St. Bonaventure, George Mason. Bandit playing over 133 points. Play the over, 133 points. St. Bonaventure, James Mason. Come on, make 'em out.